Imagine a world without bookmarks or reading lights. What tools do readers rely on in 2026? Reading habits have changed drastically over time. Now we have apps to enhance our experience. These apps offer features like customizable fonts. In 2026, readers can access millions of books. Gadgets like e-readers have become increasingly popular. They allow us to read in any environment. Some apps even offer AI-powered reading insights. But what about note-taking and organization tools? These are essential for serious readers and researchers. As we delve deeper, we find more innovative tools. For instance, some apps use machine learning to recommend books. Just when you thought that was all, there's more to explore. If this helped you, please like this video, leave a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe us for daily tips.